OMG, I am super duper excited. Look how beautiful my hair looks. I wish I can take all of the credit, but this is a 5-minute install courtesy of Asteria hair. They sent over this beautiful pre-braided lace wig, and I am so excited because again, it's literally a 1-2 cut the lace and go type of situation. I'm going to give you all the details, all of the look straight out of the box. You're going to get a start to finish install. And again, you see how fire and perfect and neat and flat these braids are. It came like this straight out of the box. So if you're interested in seeing how I got the look, of course the link to this wig is in the description box, but of course you can also keep on watching. Okay, jumping right into it, ladies. I am super excited for this one. Today I've teamed up with Asteria hair and they sent over this gorgeous girl. This is a look at the wig straight out of the box. We're going deep wave and this is a human hair lace wig. As you guys can see, it came pre-braided in the front with the baby hair already sectioned out for you guys. This one is super duper neat. The braids are super duper flat. The knots are bleached and literally everything about this one is ready to go. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. We have a free part, so if at any given point you know you are tired of the braids, you can always unbraid the wig and you have all of this parting space to do as you please. They also included the adjustable elastic band, which you can of course remove, or you can adjust it to give a little bit of extra support to your wig. For starters, I'm going to do something that I typically don't, which is to tint the inside of the lace. I'm simply using a foundation powder in my own skin tone, and I'm going to put this inside because there's so much lace exposed that it's going to be so much easier to buff this in to make sure that the lace at all angles and all points blends with my complexion. This was the first point when I realized how beautiful this one is, and if you guys look at how like I'm moving the actual unit around, it fits me super snug, which causes me to have to kind of like shift it a little bit more careful because it's not just sitting on my head like a hat. I went in immediately and cut off the excess lace. This was a Friday. You guys already know Friday is dance day for my girls, so typically I almost literally every single Friday wait to the last minute to do my hair. I like to do my hair on Fridays because typically Monday through Sunday, honestly, I'm at home, and my most time to interact with others is Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So those are days when I like to go ahead and do my hair because again, Monday through Friday I have no human interaction outside of my household for the most part. And of course I did get a lot of compliments on this one on this day. I am also going ahead and just pulling back my own edges, and I'm using an edge control from Bedeck.com to make sure that they're super flat so you can't see them. This one does not have like the ear tabs hanging below, which is better because it makes it look super neat. It would be kind of weird if there was like a lot of hair below there. All of the hair around the sideburn area is braided up. So now I'm going to just work on melting the lace and the baby hair. As you guys can see, even though I cut off the excess lace, this one fits nice and flat and flush. So I'm not necessarily worried about bonding it down. This one is going to be 100% glueless. I did take this mousse from Ledoux, and this is the yellow honey one. I applied it generously along the hairline from ear to ear, and I'm just going in and taking those baby hairs that they provided and just swooping them to my liking. As you guys seen, I did go ahead and cut them a little bit shorter. You can definitely thin them out if you want, and you can even cut them even shorter if you'd like. I think this came out perfect, and I went ahead and set it with my lace tint. This is a mineral foundation powder that is a shade or two darker than my complexion. This works great to really go in and camouflage the hairline so you can't see that line of demarcation. And now we're going to go ahead and put on a melt belt. And this is the melt belt that came with my wig. And did I mention that this one is 100% glueless? As flat as the hairline looks, there is no glue involved. I'm going to take that same mousse that I used to melt the lace along the hairline and just quickly go ahead and apply a generous amount along the ends of the hair. As I mentioned, this is a deep wave wig. If you're interested in the length and all the extra details, of course, all that is in the description box. I did apply that generously, and then I went ahead with the water and just saturated it really good. This went really, really fast for me because, again, I had like 5 minutes to get out of the door, and I was already 5 minutes over. I went ahead and blow dried the hairline down because, again, I'm not using any glue or any gel or anything that's going to actually like make the wig stick. So I wanted to make sure that everything was flat and flush, and the blow dryer definitely will help to get you there. Here is a close-up of what the hairline looks like from ear to ear. I'm absolutely blown away. Okay, you guys know the drill. It is Friday afternoon. I am headed to take the girls to dance. It is literally 5 minutes past the time I'm supposed to leave, and I got this done in less than 10 minutes. It's actually 12 minutes and 38 seconds we've been filming, so that is like, oh wow, look how easy and simple this was. I wish I could talk more, but you'll see how it comes out fully, and we'll discuss everything in the next clip. So yeah, I'll be back. I'll return. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at the close up. And I did minimal work to the hairline. It's glueless. All I used was this mousse from Ledoux. This is the truth. So basically this was like a one product install. Uses to do the baby hair, to melt the lace, and as well as to style the ends. So I'll give you more tea and you'll see how it like holds up over the next few hours. So yeah, I'll see you in a few minutes or on the next clip for you guys. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the packaging. This one here is a 250% density 24-inch wig with a size small cap. Inside my box, they did include these HD wig caps. You can buff your foundation powder to make them your color, a baby hair brush in the color black, a pair of natural lashes, and of course the melt belt that we used throughout the video, and it does say Asteria on it. And then here you have the dust bag, which also has their brand all over it. Here I was just playing with the wig and kind of showing you guys like you can do different things with it. I love a good butterfly clip, so you can definitely clip this one up in the back. You can also do half up, half down with the braids, and as I also mentioned, you can definitely unbraid the hair. I recommend utilizing the braids as long as you can until it's time to like wash, you know, and refresh the wig. And of course you can redo the braids, or you can, you know, go in and just do a regular parted hairstyle. Either way, I'm absolutely in love with this one. This one is perfect for spring, perfect for summer, perfect for vacation. I'm an all year around type of girl, so this is definitely a staple for your collection. I'll have a direct link in all of the details in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.